Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day in the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't make assumptions. Ask for what you want. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 246. You get the NASDAQ up 282. S&Ps are up 57. Gold contract up $28.50, trading at $18.68 an ounce. You get silver up 60 cents, $25.92 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 26 cents, $53.24 a barrel. Notes and bonds. Check it out, man. We're at all-time highs, folks. Bottom line, 10-year note is up one tick at 136.31. The 30-year is up two ticks at 169.01. The 10-year is already inside its larger range, higher range. 30-year only has one more point to go. So much for bottom line, higher rates. You know, my take is that lower for longer is going to be happening. Yeah, you get a little downdraft, fast 5-day downdraft, but guess what, man? 10-year already got back inside this higher range. King dollar. King dollar still can't hold price. King dollar down 10 ticks, trading 90.488. The euro's at 121 to 1 the U.S. dollar. The yen is out here trading at 103.53, and the British pound is at 136 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. And the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, you get a break topside, folks. It's away from, okay, so when you break out, folks, bottom line is that, you get a little consolidation happening. Many times you can break out and you stay close to the breakout. Well, the S&P is already saying, let me out of here and get away from it, as is the Qs, the NDX 100. So the breakout areas are the 381. You're at 384.31 right now. We are at 41 million shares. You need 51 million shares for an ABC structure up, and I suspect we're going to get it. And if we get that, then you get a, let's see, 381, you're at a 64.70. You get about a 17 A to B, which is going to get you at 73.83. That's like 390 on your SPY. We're going to take a look at the 3Qs. Same type of setup in the 3Qs. We'll see if the 3Qs get the volume in it. It looks like they probably, it's going to be a close call. They need 33 million. You're at 22 million. The 3Qs, though, price-wise, breaking away from this high in a big way. 319 was the high. We're at 324.50. Inside the NDX 100, strength versus the weakness in here. You got Netflix is up 17.5%. You got Google up 6.5%. You got Baidu up 5.1%. Taken away from it, Fastenal is down 3.9. You get Clack off 3. You get Lam Research off 2.7. That being said, if we go over and we take a look at even LRCX, what you're going to see is that all the chip stocks moved in a dramatic way yesterday, folks. And Lam actually got to a higher high out here today. It's down $16, made a new high. I believe that's going to be an all-time high also. Yeah, it's an all-time high, 585. The amazing thing when you actually look at some of these chips, in the last 12 months, the low was 121, I think, 181. And the high out there is trading at 585. Gold contract, rejected lower price out here Sunday night at 1,800. You're at 1868. You do have a sign of strength. Sign of strength, folks, is wide price spread, accelerated volume, and that's what we got. You get a low out here today of 1831. You get a high of 1868 right now. We've done 264,000 contracts. It's eating in. This is how you have to eat into a downdraft, too. The bottom line is that the downdraft a week ago Friday was a monster. That went from the 1900 and $18 level all the way down into the 1827 level. We've ate right into it. And that's saying, guess what? You're going to go right back topside again. In fact, if you take a look at this, this is gonna be interesting. Watch how this sets up. Because if you take a look at how, whoops, not that one, right there. Yeah, this is wild. We're going to be approaching, once again, the downdraft line that we had already broken. There's a couple of them out here, okay? The one that we already broke, yeah, look at this. Oh, man, this is a classic Bud Rolfs deal. So you have the downdraft. The downdraft started in August, okay? You hit highs in August. Bottom line, we broke topside at the beginning of December. You come back down. You tested the line again last Friday. You tested it again yesterday. You rejected it. Guess what? That's saying topside. Here we come once again. Pretty amazing. Volatile? Yeah, volatile in spades. No doubt about that. We take a look at the silver market. Same type of setup in the silver market. You have the wide price spread. You have the volume behind the move. Higher prices coming at you. Now, notes and bonds, man. This note and bond market, okay, let me tell you something, has confounded people for a long period of time. And we'll see where this shakes out. But my take, folks, is that this thing is going topside once again. Lower rates coming at us once again. And, once you get back inside the 136.26, inside the 10, that's the higher range. If you put this on a longer-term chart, okay, meaning a continuous contract, what you're going to see out here is that the bottom line is that, we've been going higher. We've been going higher. Let's see. So October of 2018, we've been going higher price, lower yield. All as we did is pull back to the breakout area. In fact, we didn't even get to the bottom of the breakout area, folks, in March. So that is a normal pullback, and that's telling me higher prices are coming at us. In fact, if you're into the Fibonacci sequence, let me do this quick. You're going to crack up. This is not even a 0.382. And so when you hear that the bottom line, the bond market, is going lower, it hasn't even done a 0.23 retracement of that move. Stay right there. Come right back.